if you're starting to clean windows, you probably want to know what's the best size squeegee to get, what's the best combination, and look no further. This is the Mormon Accelerator 2.0 handle with the Ettore Master Brass 14-inch channel. This is the best, most versatile combination on the market, especially if you're just getting started. Now, I do personally love the liquidator channels. This would be the Accelerator 3.0 complete squeegee, and this is 18 inches. Probably a little bit too aggressive if you're just getting started. A lot of guys, even if they're well established with cleaning windows, have a really hard time with the liquidator channels. Again, it's my favorite. It's my go-to. I use this every day for the past decade, but it does take some nuance and some getting used to. So by all means, get one of these liquidator channels, but also make sure you got some regular channels to go along, because this is able to be straight pulled. This you cannot straight pull with a liquidator channel, at least not very well. So get the Accelerator 2.0 handle, 14-inch Ettore Master Brass channel, and then along with that, get a separate handle. This right here is the Ledge Easy handle by Ettore. Then right here, this is the Unger S Plus channel. It only comes in one length as far as I know, 18 inches, and it's made out of stainless steel, so it's nice and heavy. This particular handle, the Ledge Easy, has little teeth. Can you see them? They're like little vampire teeth. And that's pretty important with this particular channel because it's able to bite into the rubber. So you can switch the channels on the different handles and mess around, but I like this combo, especially if you're just getting started. I always have 2 squeegees with me at all times, and that's because this one, you can do anything residential with it. This one, it's nice to get the big windows with it. Now, if you have the extra money and you want to get a nicer handle for this one too, by all means, I've got a bunch of them. Like, I love them, right? They're the best. So this is actually the original Accelerator. Having said that, you've got your 2 main squeegee combos. And then on top of that, I recommend getting something small. Now, this is a 6-inch. What is this? These are both Ettore stainless steel channels. I don't like them as much as the brass, so that's my personal preference. Now, they do stay nice and shiny. The Ettore brass ones can kind of fade with time, but they're kind of timeless still. Like, they just, like, who's complaining that the Statue of Liberty doesn't look like it's made out of copper and it looks green now? Nobody. So who cares? But either way, you want to get a 6-inch channel because you never know when you got those little French panes, those cut up windows, and you need something this small to get in between them. If you can get as many different sizes of these as you can, just the more the merrier. You could have every 1/4 inch, you could have a different size. Another hack you can do is if you buy, like at first I had like a couple of these 18-inch long master brass channels. And so eventually I just kind of cut them up into sections. And so you have like a 5-inch and a 7-inch, 4.5 and a 7.5 inch. And some guys will get a different squeegee channel for every 1/4 inch. So you can geek out with that kind of stuff. But I've found this combination right here is the best. You don't necessarily have to get another handle for this. You can get like a $5 handle, or even if you maybe accidentally went to Home Depot or Lowe's and bought a squeegee there, you can use one of those handles too. Don't use those squeegees though. Those squeegees are trash. The rubber's trash. The channels are trash. The handles aren't great, but they'll do. Get one really nice Accelerator 2.0 handle, and you could switch around the rest of them. I like to have 2 handles on me at all times, 3 blades. This will be in my pocket or in my pouch, and then these 2 will be fixed to the handle and in the bucket on a belt, which is also an important thing to get. So if you had any other questions on squeegees, go ahead and comment below. I'll do my best to answer all of them, but this is my go-to combo for a newbie. It's not what I use every day, but if you're just getting started, it will do a great job for you. Again, this is Ben from Blue Ladder. I've started 3 different window cleaning companies in the past decade and a half, and I'm on my 3rd and trying to actually grow and scale it now. First one was a wash. Second one, I started and sold it. Now, 3rd one, I'm trying to build and scale to see how big we can go. So I'll see you guys in the next video.